In order to create a drawing of the full assembly, you will use the assembly design file, and then you will go to the design workspace and change this to drawing. And we're going to create a drawing from the assembly design file. So we'll select from design. For the reference, we will select full assembly. And we will see what this will look like in landscape. It'll be on a sheet C size. And we will click on OK. In the orientation, we will change these until we find the correct orientation. If we try northeast isometric, then we'll try northwest. So northwest allows us to see it kind of from the front and left side view. We can also, in this case, because of the sheet size, we may need to change the scale. So we'll start on a 1:1 scale. The style, you can change between the different styles of how this is going to be presented. So if we click on visible edges and we go ahead and place the drawing, you will see that it may come out to be black and white. So we'll click on OK. So that's how you bring the isometric view of the full assembly into the sheet. The other thing that we will need to do with this is create what is called a parts list. So if we go to tables and you have an option for parts list, and you can put the parts list in the top right corner of the sheet. So we'll click there. What you should see happen when you put in the parts list is it will list out the parts, how many there are of a particular part, the part name, and the material that that part is made of. And you will also see some balloons that will correspond with the items in the parts list.